My name is Christina Boucher. I'm an associate professor in CISC at the University of Florida. My research intersects bioinformatics, algorithms, and machine learning. Basically, we use algorithms to solve problems in biology and medicine. So why is bioinformatics a field of computer science? Well, there are now multiple ways to isolate the biological material of a sample, then identify the DNA and/or RNA sequences from that sample. From analysis of this data, you can do many things, such as identify viruses, bacteria, or understand traits between people or other species. This process has become relatively inexpensive, so the amount of data that is produced is extremely large, on the order of petabytes. In fact, here's a graph showing that the growth of biological data is not only exponential, but outpaces Moore's law. Therefore, the goal of my research lab is to develop novel methods for analyzing large biological data sets. I have several active research projects that fit under this mission. Today, I'm going to tell you about one such project, portable bioinformatics. So sequencing technology has changed quite dramatically in the last couple decades. In the 1990s, you required a huge team of scientists in a whole floor of a building in order to sequence a genome. Now, a genome can be sequenced using a device about the size of a large USB stick, which fits into the palm of your hand. Now, what this allows you to do is to do the sequencing in a portable manner. Now, why would you want to do portable sequencing? Well, there's many different ways. Here I've listed 3 possibilities, which include real-time detection of biothreats, that is, detection of Ebola, cholera, or anthrax, rapid clinical diagnostics, that is, identification of antibiotic resistance or viruses, and lastly, mobile forensic analysis, meaning on-site DNA sequencing for crime investigations. So the sequencing that uses these devices looks something like this. It begins with sample collection and preparation. After this is done, the prepared sample is then put onto the device. The device is then plugged directly into a laptop, tablet, or phone, and the sequencing begins. After the sequencing, the data is then transferred via a wireless connection to a cloud or a server for further analysis. Now, I should mention that the sequencing, that is from the sample preparation to the data generation, can be done in approximately 40 minutes. However, the analysis, which requires a cloud computing or computing a large server, can require hours, if not days, if not months. So our goal is to change this and build a fully portable system for sequencing. So what do I mean by a portable system? Well, I mean to achieve the analysis directly onto the portable device. That is, rather than transferring the data onto a computing cloud or a server, you're going to do the analysis directly on the tablet, laptop, or phone. Thus, you're only going to use local hardware and thus not require a wireless connection. Because you no longer need a wireless connection, then you can do it in extreme environments or disaster areas. However, no software for achieving this is currently available. Now, part of the reason is that there's a lot of computational hurdles in accomplishing this. Now, these portable devices have significantly smaller RAM, significantly smaller disk space, and less powerful CPUs. So this makes it very difficult to achieve the same analysis. Nonetheless, we believe that we have algorithmic solutions that can be applied to this problem and then achieve a fully portable system. In particular, one of our algorithmic techniques is extending the use of the FM index. So the FM index is a manner of compressing data in a way that it still allows it to be queried efficiently. Previously, we showed that graphs built from biological data can be constructed and stored in both a space and time efficient manner using the FM index. In fact, we use approximately 3 bits per edge to do this storage. So this is one possible algorithmic technique that could be applied here. However, in order to achieve a fully portable system, we're going to have to apply many other algorithmic techniques, including cache-oblivious data structures and algorithms, out-of-core processing, compressed data structures, and adapting distributed approaches. Lastly, I want to mention that we apply our methods to real biological data sets and collaborate quite heavily with biomedical researchers. Currently, I have active research collaborations with people studying antibiotic resistance, Parkinson's disease, and viral strains such as COVID. I'd like to thank all my research students. I have 7 research members in my lab that include undergraduate students, graduate students, and postdoc researchers. Thank you.